can't see nothing. Ya better stop that. Ya better stop that. You better stop that. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm scared! No! What is that noise? Ah, let me break the immersion. Ooga booga ooga booga ooga booga ooga booga. Immersion broke. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like what it is. I don't like it. What is that? What is making that noise? I dislike it with all my being. Bad. Oops. Oops. Oopsie. Nothing. You saw nothing. Nothing, I tell you, nothing. Nothing. You saw nothing. Uh-oh. No. Stop. Pew! Don't worry, chat. I have a gun. Alright? Here's the thing about horror games, alright? As long as I have a gun and I can shoot it, I don't really care. If I can shoot the scary, I don't care as much. But if I can't shoot the scary, then I will quit. But if I can shoot, it's all good. It's all fine. It's all good and dandy. Just gotta be able to shoot.
I
don't like it. Ooh, look, he do a funny spin. Ah.